Natural light has the power to completely transform a home. In Slidell, where sunny days and scenic outdoor views are part of everyday life, homeowners are increasingly looking for ways to bring more of that beauty indoors. One of the most effective and elegant solutions is the installation of picture windows. With their expansive glass design and unobstructed views, picture windows can brighten living spaces, enhance comfort, and even improve your home's overall value. If you've ever walked into a room filled with warm, natural light, you know how inviting and uplifting it feels. Picture windows are specifically designed to maximize sunlight. Unlike traditional windows that may have multiple panes, grids, or moving parts, picture windows feature a large, fixed pane of glass. This streamlined design allows more daylight to pour into your home, instantly making rooms appear larger, more open, and more welcoming. In Slidell living rooms, this can make a dramatic difference. Whether your home overlooks lush greenery, a quiet neighborhood street, or a peaceful backyard, a picture window frames the view like a work of art. Instead of feeling closed off from the outdoors, you can enjoy seamless visual connection with nature while staying comfortable inside. The added daylight also enhances interior colors, decor, and architectural features, giving your space a refreshed and vibrant feel without changing a single piece of furniture. Beyond aesthetics, increased natural light offers practical benefits for homeowners. With more sunlight illuminating your home during the day, you'll rely less on artificial lighting. This can help reduce energy usage and lower utility bills over time. Modern picture windows are also built with energy-efficient glass options that help maintain indoor temperatures. In Slidell's warm climate, high-quality glazing can minimize heat transfer, allowing you to enjoy abundant sunlight without sacrificing comfort. Another major advantage is the way natural light influences mood and well-being. Bright, sunlit spaces are known to boost productivity and create a positive atmosphere. If you work from home, enjoy reading, or simply spend time relaxing in your living area, a picture window can make the environment feel more energizing and serene at the same time. Families often find that well-lit rooms become favorite gathering spots, perfect for everything from morning coffee to evening conversations. Picture windows are also remarkably versatile in design. They can serve as a stunning focal point in a living room, be installed above a sofa to highlight outdoor scenery, or anchor a dining space with panoramic views. Some homeowners choose to pair picture windows with smaller operable windows on the sides to allow for ventilation while preserving the expansive look. This combination provides both functionality and visual impact, creating a customized solution tailored to your lifestyle. For those considering a home upgrade, picture windows can also enhance curb appeal. From the exterior, a large, beautifully framed window adds architectural interest and modern elegance. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes filled with natural light, making this upgrade an investment that pays off both in daily enjoyment and long-term value. Maintenance is another customer-friendly benefit. Because picture windows are fixed and have fewer moving parts, they typically require less upkeep than traditional windows. With durable materials and professional installation, you can expect long-lasting performance and clear, unobstructed views for years to come. Ultimately, adding picture windows to your Slidell home is about more than just installing new glass. It's about transforming the way you experience your living space. From brighter mornings to breathtaking sunset views, picture windows invite the outdoors in while creating a warm, open atmosphere your family can enjoy every day. If you're looking to elevate your home with more natural light, enhanced comfort, and timeless style, picture windows offer a beautiful and practical solution designed to make the most of Slidell's natural charm.